Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are always welcome, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button, share the video, and also like it. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these delicious hot dog rolls. All of the ingredients will be available in the description box below. We're going to start off with 1 cup of warm milk. The milk should be warm but not hot, as hot milk will kill the yeast, and if the milk is too cold, then the yeast will be not activated. So we're going to also add 1.5 teaspoon of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then we're just going to mix it together. We're also going to add 1 egg. And then we just continue mixing it together. We want to mix until the egg is well combined. And now we are going to add 2.5 cups of white bread flour. And half a teaspoon of salt. Using a wooden spoon or a spatula, we just want to roughly combine our flour with the wet ingredients, just until they are combined. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of softened margarine butter and lightly mix the butter into the dough. And then after that, you can just dump the dough out of the bowl and start kneading. And now the tricky part here is that we cannot really use precisely 2 cups of flour because we live in different areas. Some of our air is humid and in the other areas the air is not humid. So what we're going to do is that if you see that the dough is sticky like mine, you can just add some flour, and I encourage you to add bit by bit until you reach the right consistency. And if you find that your dough is a bit dry, then you can just add a little bit of milk. We are going to knead the dough for 10 minutes, so make sure you put on your timer and just knead the dough for 10 minutes. This is the dough after 10 minutes. So when you press it and it springs back, it means it is ready. But if it doesn't spring back, then you need to knead it for some more minutes. Now we're going to place it back into the mixing bowl, and then you're going to lightly grease it with some cooking oil or some butter just to prevent it from drying. And we're going to cover it with a tea towel and place it at a warm area and just let it rest for 1 hour. And here is our dough. It has been resting for 1 hour. As you can see, it has doubled in size or even tripled in size, if that's a thing. So you can see that it has really risen very well. Now we're just going to punch down our dough so that we can remove the air from the dough, and we're going to remove it from the bowl and just place it on our working surface. What you want to do is just to shape the dough into a log. And now we're going to divide the dough into 8 equal parts. After that, we are going to shape now the divided dough into hot dog roll shapes or log shape. And we're going to place it on a baking tray lined with some parchment paper. This is how they look like. So we're just going to cover it with a tea towel, place it at a warm area and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we are going to brush the dough with some egg wash, which is basically a mixture of 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 egg. We are going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until the hot dog rolls are golden brown. The hot dog rolls are now baked, so I suggest while they are still hot, you add some butter on top of each of the hot dog rolls. This will just keep the tops of the rolls very moist. Just look at how soft these buns are. They are very soft and fluffy. I'm just going to pat the hot dog roll and place some sausage, or some call it a Vienna. So I'm just going to place that in. I'm not going to add any butter because the bun is still nice and fresh, and I just don't feel like we need to add butter, but if you would like to add butter, you can. And also I'm going to add some ketchup or tomato sauce. And there we have it, guys. We just made these delicious hot dog rolls. I'm telling you guys, these rolls are so delicious. The bun is soft and fluffy. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and share the video with your family and friends. You can also follow me on Instagram at cookeatenjoy_food. Bye guys, see you in the next video.